What if I told you that you could create a digital product from scratch and start earning thousands of dollars, all from the comfort of your home? In this video, we're diving into the 12 digital products that are helping people get rich in ways you never thought possible. Ready to learn how? Let's go! Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered how people are making tons of money online without leaving their homes? Well, today we're going to take a deep dive into the 12 digital products that are making people rich right now. And the best part, you don't need to be an expert in tech or have a huge budget to get started. If you've got a laptop, some creativity, and a little hustle, you're already halfway there. So let's jump right in. 1. eBooks. First on the list is eBooks. That's right. Writing and selling ebooks has become one of the most popular and profitable ways to make money online. Whether it's a how-to guide, a novel, or a niche topic you're passionate about, ebooks have a low barrier to entry and can be sold on platforms like Amazon Kindle, Gumroad, and even your own website. You don't need a traditional publishing deal. Just write, edit, and publish your book, and boom, you could start earning passive income. 2. Online courses. Next up, online courses. The learning industry is booming. If you have knowledge about a specific subject, whether it's digital marketing, fitness, coding, or even cooking, you can create a course and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. People are constantly looking to learn new skills, and you can be the one to teach them. Plus, once you create your course, you don't have to keep making new content. It's a great way to earn money while you sleep. 3. Digital art and graphics. Let's talk about digital art and graphics. If you've got a creative side, platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and even Instagram can be your gold mine. From custom illustrations to printable art, logos, and design assets, businesses and individuals are always looking for high-quality digital artwork. With TH Wright marketing and creativity, you can turn your digital designs into a full-fledged business. 4. Software and apps. Fourth on the list is creating software or apps. Now, this one does require some technical skills, but if you've got them, you're sitting on a huge opportunity. With the rise of SaaS, software as a service, you could create a software tool that solves a common problem. You can sell subscriptions, offer one-time purchases, or even create an app with in-app purchases. The potential for profits is huge, but it all starts with identifying a need and filling that gap. Scene 5. Music and audio products. Fifth, we've got music and audio products. Whether you're a musician, sound designer, or voiceover artist, digital audio products are in high demand. You can sell royalty-free music tracks, sound effects, and even offer your services on freelance platforms. Just like with other digital products, once you create your content, you can continue to sell it to new customers over and over again. 6. Photography and stock images. Narrator You. If you're into photography, you can monetize your skills by selling stock images. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock allow photographers to upload their images and earn money every time someone downloads them. It's a great way to turn your hobby into a business. The more high-quality images you upload, the more chances you have to earn passive income. Scene 7. Membership sites. Narrator You. 7th on the list is creating a membership site. If you have a niche following or an audience that loves your content, offering exclusive access to premium content can be a game changer. Show examples of YouTubers or creators using Patreon, MemberPress, or other membership platforms. Whether it's exclusive videos, webinars, or community access, people will pay for valuable, member-only content. Scene 8. Templates and digital tools. Narrator You. Number 8. Templates and digital tools. Think about templates for resumes, business plans, social media posts, or even website themes. People love ready-made solutions to save time, and they're willing to pay for them. Cut to someone buying and using templates for their business. Narrator You. If you're a designer or have some organizational skills, this is a perfect opportunity to create something that people need. C9, Dropshipping and Print on Demand. Coming in at number 9 is dropshipping and print on demand. You don't need to stock inventory, you just set up an online store. And when someone places an order, the product gets shipped directly from the supplier. It's a low-risk way to get started with e-commerce and scale your business. Scene 10, Affiliate Marketing. Affiliate marketing is number 10. You don't need to create your own products. You just promote other people's products and earn commissions when people make purchases through your affiliate link, whether it's through blogs, social media, or YouTube. Affiliate marketing has made many people passive income earners. 11. Virtual products and NFTs. Number 11 is virtual products and NFTs. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are all the rage, and if you can create unique digital assets, people are willing to pay top dollar for them. Whether it's digital art, collectibles, or exclusive content, there's a lot of money to be made in the world of virtual assets. 12. Coaching and consulting. And finally, coaching and consulting. If you're an expert in a field, offering one-on-one coaching or group consulting can bring in serious money. Whether you're coaching business owners, students, or creatives, your expertise is valuable, and people are willing to pay for it. Now, there you have it, the 12 digital products that are helping people make serious money online. And the best part is, many of these don't require a huge upfront investment or a team to get.